Today we're working on a 2005 GMC Yukon. Welcome to Mercy J Auto Care, where compassion and craftsmanship come together. I'm Rick Smith, Master Certified Technician. Now right now in Phoenix, it's running a little bit above 110 degrees. So we all like to travel up to the woods, into the mountains, and kind of escape the heat a little bit. But I just want to kind of share with you a little bit about what can happen when we're in the mountains and what we need to be careful of. And that would be rodents. So this particular GMC rodent came in. They can come in through the ventilation system up here by the windshield. This particular one went in through. There's a screen to keep it out, but it chewed through it, got in there. You can see here, this is a blower motor. So this cage spins to blow the air on our face inside the car. It built a nest in here. Unfortunately, the way the vehicle owner found out is the vehicle has an odor inside. And inside the dash, which we can't show you by video because we don't have the access right now, there's a huge nest in there, and the rodent actually died in there. So a couple little tips. One is lights, because rodents are nocturnal. So if you leave lights under the hood while your car's parked at night, that can help. Leaving the hood open also makes it a little bit less desirable for the animals. Sometimes they chew wires, sometimes they build nests. So be aware of what can happen by these animals and enjoy your travels. Thanks for watching, and until next time, blessings to you and have a great vacation.